let's look at some common comparison expressions and sort of test ourselves a little bit. So let's try out some scenarios, and you can tell me if you think these are true or false. True or false? True? I was trying to start you out with a softball here. Okay? True or false? True? True or false? False. Why is that false? The lowercase b makes them different. Those two strings are not the same. What about this? It's false, because a string cannot be the same as an integer. True or false? 10 is greater than 5. That is true. 5 is less than or equal to 5. True or false? True? True. Yeah. 5 is equal to 5, so it includes 5 is less than or equal to 5. What about this one? True or false? It's true. It's true. The integer 7 is not equal to the string 7, so that is true. What about this one? 7 is less than or equal to 6. False. False, because 7 is greater than 6. It doesn't include that. The string 4 is greater than 3. That's a trick question. It will give you an error if you try that. Even though some languages would try and evaluate that 4 as an integer and then do the comparison, Python will not. It is strict about data types, so it will not do that. And let's hope that's not true. I would like to be at least 7. So that will give you an error also. Any comparison operator that is an order, like a magnitude difference, a greater than, less than type operation with a string will give you an error. So